Here's how to set any song as a ringtone on your iPhone. Now first just head into the Settings app of your iPhone, tap on General and Software Update. You used to have to go through this entire process by downloading GarageBand and setting that up and then exporting a file, a song, as your ringtone, but you don't need to do that anymore. All you need to do is update your iPhone to the latest version. Now I'll show you a trick to be able to set any song as a ringtone. From here, we're going to open up a web browser. You can use Safari or Google Chrome to be able to do this. And we need to first just download the song to your iPhone. So what we can do is go to a place that has free songs. In this case, I really like Pixabay, so you can go to pixabay.com. But there are a bunch of different places you can go to find copyright-free or royalty-free songs. You can download them from a ton of places. Now from here, we'll tap on those three lines and get to music. And here are all of the songs on here. If you wanted to, you can tap on the little play button next to any of these and just listen to them, decide if you like that and wanted to use that as your ringtone. If you do, let's download it just by tapping on that download button. You usually have to tap on it twice here. And then let's tap on it again here. For whatever reason, that is not popping up with that download. Let's keep tapping on it. Maybe you need to open it up like this and then tap on download and then download. Now, after it's gone through the process of downloading, you can see that downloading has a little spinning wheel. Maybe Pixabay is running a bit slow today. It will essentially download it onto your iPhone, and then I'll show you how to find it. And then from there, how to get it as a ringtone. Let's tap on download again. For whatever reason, this isn't popping up. There we go. Now let's just tap on download. So it's downloaded that song onto my iPhone and I can set that as a ringtone, but it usually downloads it into the Files app. So let's hop out here and go to the app library and just search for Files. Now, a lot of times it empties you out into wherever that may not be where that song has been downloaded. So tap on Browse a couple times at the bottom right, and you'll be able to get to this screen. Where you normally downloads is on your iPhone and in the downloads folder. So tap on my iPhone and downloads, and there is that song. It's pretty easy to set it as a ringtone. We can just tap on the song and then tap on share, and then you can see at the bottom use as ringtone. You can see it has to be less than 30 seconds. So if you downloaded a song that is super long, you have to trim it down to less than 30 seconds or just choose a shorter song. Now, after you've done that, you can find where it is just by heading into your settings. Let me go back out here. And then from here, scroll down to Sounds and Haptics, and then tap on Ringtone. You'll be able to see it right here. Essentially, it will show you all of those downloaded and added ringtones directly on here. Keep in mind, you no longer need to go to the Tone store and download and buy them. You can get them completely free.